Hi guys, let me show you how we made this awesome platform bed. So what you see us doing here now is adding glue to a piece of plywood. We have both pieces cut to size, and this is 3/4 inches, so we want it to look fuller at 1.5 inch. So we're attaching two pieces together. We're gonna let the glue sit overnight, and then we're gonna place weights on top of it to make sure it adheres. I decided to stain before the building process just to make it easier. So what you see us doing now is adding edge banding just to make the edges look smoother. Otherwise you'll see all the rough spots and it won't look as professional. So at this point I'm leveraging my Kreg Jig tool, so I'm adding pocket holes to the side panels. So I'm doing 2 pocket holes on each end. That way I can attach it to the headboard and the footboard. So now I'm using a 2x2 to create a frame for the mattress to sit in. I'm attaching it to the side panel with 2-inch or 2.5-inch spack screws. I'm adding a 2x3 for center support, and I attach that to the headboard and footboard with pocket holes and pocket hole screws. And then I have a 4x4 underneath the 2x3 just for additional support, and I'm attaching those two pieces together with spack screws. I'm adding 2x3s as slates, and then I'm screwing them down into the side piece just to make sure they don't move around. This headboard is at 39 1/8 inch by 66 1/8 inch, I believe. And I don't remember what the side panels are, but the footboard is 15 inches by 66 1/8 inch. So it mirrors. And then I did the frame with 2x2s on the side panels, and then I have 2x3s. So I have 2x3s as slates, and then I have one 2x3 in the middle to make it sturdy, and I have a 4x4 piece of scrap wood that I had in the garage that I'm using as a sturdy piece. So this thing is sturdy. It's not going anywhere, and Kaylee is super happy to have this, and I'm glad I got to do this for her. We are actually changing out her whole entire room, so stay tuned because we're going to do a reveal soon. Thanks for watching.